Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Confirm you have a Microsoft 365 admin account and an active Sharepoint license so actions succeed. Next, choose whether a team site or communication site fits your goals because structure affects permissions and navigation. Once decided, collect the site name, owner list, and governance rules. This saves rework. Now open the SharePoint Admin Center and click Create. You're starting the site. I'll explain setup choices as we move through each panel, so you understand how options shape usage. You now handle the complex middle steps. Configure privacy to public or private and assign at least one owner to control membership. This matters for security and sharing. Then set storage limits, pick a clear site address, and apply a site classification to enforce retention or sensitivity policies. Once done, create core document libraries, lists, and standardized folders so users have a consistent workspace. Make sure to enable versioning and default metadata, because that prevents data loss and improves searchability. You finish by tightening permissions, set group roles, configure sharing links, and decide on external access to match governance. Then test access using a non-admin account so you see what users experience. Adjust navigation and web parts for clarity. Finally, publish the site and notify members with clear instructions. If something goes wrong, check permission inheritance and resync site permissions. Broken inheritance or cached permissions is the most common issue and often fixes unexpected access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.